Okay, it has finally reached a point where I can put rah-baht in. So I like to put some schmag on the thing. I don't know if you can tell, but the little gasket O-ring thing is like way too big. I have a feeling the schmeg is doing something and causing these O-rings to swell, because I had that problem elsewhere. I'm not positive on that, and I asked the people at the pool store and they said, nope, this is the right stuff to use. I've never had a problem with that happening. So, I don't know. And I've been using this stuff for years, and only recently have I actually had a problem with this occurring. So I like to lube this up real good, especially in the little ears on here. And now we're ready to put them in. The pool is off currently, so I could plug it in. It doesn't matter if you drop them in first or not. We'll just put this in, and it's like a bayonet where it's like a half turn once you get the ears in, and it locks. And that's it. Now we'll put its hose in over here. And we will drop in rah-baht. He's got his pool and brush tail scrubber thing. We'll see if that's actually worth a damn. And we'll let him sink, and then we're going to go turn him on. Now, as usual, just so we hear that wonderful noise of it actually catching prime, I'm going to go ahead and empty the solar out. So we'll let that drain. Okay, that'll do. We'll go ahead and shut that now. Alright, let's turn that on so we make sure the solar is on. We're on filtration. We're all set here. We'll turn the switch for rah-baht on. We'll wait for the valve to open here, and then we're going to kick it on. And I know that rah-baht pump works. We're going to get tons of air, and then when it catches prime, it's just the greatest. Here we go. Main pump is running fine. Rah-baht pump is running, but it's got nothing. I don't know if you can see that wiggle. Little bits of water are going in. This is the first time it'll be under pressure. The vibration is getting stronger. Here we go. Oh yes, what a wonderful sound. Now I had just manually vacuumed the pool and shocked it and backwashed the filter and put new DE, so the water is quite cloudy right now, but it was actually a lot clearer before I got started. You can see the pattern down there. There's still a lot more work to do, but it looks like rah-baht is moving, if you can see anything, and hopefully he will clean up a lot more of the green. We'll see if his pool and brush tail scrubber will actually work. It's finally time that we get to see, but I think the pool water is a bit too cloudy to tell just yet. Here he's coming this way. Where the hell is his tail? I wonder if he... Oh, it's there. Maybe you could see him now. There he goes. It's the reversing valve is on now. Now with this pull and brush tail, it doesn't wig and wag around, but it does always stay in contact with the bottom of the pool. It also weighs more, so I wonder if that actually slows him down any. But we'll wait for the reversing valve to go back and for him to move again. It's good to see that he does work. There, he's starting to go again. I don't know what, if anything, you're actually seeing, but I can see it. Well, he's just going along doing his thing there. Pressure's a little high, but not bad. I just backwashed it, but there's a lot of particulate matter is filtering out. Once again, no leaks at the pump. And it looks like rah-baht pump is good too. I can't tell in the center, but I don't see any active drips. So that looks like it's working. Here's rah-baht over here. His tail with the pull and brush seems very, very much dead, and not like a flagellum. So we'll just leave that one right where it may lie. And rah-baht's going to do his thing. Hopefully he'll clean up the greenet in there. And a lot of the idea now is to get it suspended in the water so the filter can take care of it. And every time I do backwash, it is green as green as green could be. So that's going. I can kind of see his tail. It almost goes in a train right behind him. Wherever he goes, it follows. And it just goes like that. That is the idea of it, for it not to really wag around. And there's many different hardnesses of bristles, 3 different kinds on there. I don't know if you can see it all. It certainly looks like it is doing what it's designed to, as far as that goes. How well it works, I don't know, and it's supposed to last a lot longer. But I'll do another review on that when the water is clearer. Anyway, like I said, we finally reached the point where we can run rah-baht to help clean up what's in here, and any of the other greened spots here will be brushed and filtered out, and that's it. So thank you, rah-baht, for your service for this year. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.